Hi, hello everyone. In this chapter, we're going to learn about tables. We're going to learn how we can use cells and how we can change its alignment, how we can use images in tables, and how we can create column and row spanning. Let us take a look at the example. This is a normal table. We're going to learn how to create such table. Now let's take its source. Okay, this is a normal including of HTML tags. Then now we start with table. This tag creates a table. Now you have width equals 100%. Whenever you say width equals 100%, this means the table is going to span the full width of the screen regardless its resolution. So for example, I have this resolution. Now if my size decreases, then the table is going also to decrease like this. So you can simply occupy whatever space is available as per the client or the user resolution. You have two ways in order to specify the width, either as a percentage of the width of the screen or as a specific width. If you want to occupy a specific width, then you specify this width in pixels. Okay, so there are two ways to mention this. What distinguishes between them is the presence of the percentage character. If percentage is there, this means this is percentage. If it is not there, this means the width will be in pixels. Okay. Now border equals 5. Now as you see, there is a border surrounding the whole table. Now this is 5 pixels. So you can imagine how big it is. So 5 pixels is this big. Okay. Now cell padding equals 10. Of course, all units are in pixel. Now, what is meant by cell padding and cell spacing? Because they are confusing to many users of HTML. Now, whenever you say cell padding, this means whenever you start typing text like this, what will be the padding? What is the margin between the border of the table and the text that you are going to start typing? So whenever you want to increase the margin, you increase cell padding. Okay, but now we have another property called cell spacing. Well, this is a whole cell. As you can see, this is containing Mustafa. Now, what is the space between one cell and another? If you mention that the cell spacing is 0, this means there will be no space. The only border will appear. So, for example, let us do small change for this so that we can imagine what we are mentioning exactly. So, let us save this. As HTML page. Now I'm going to make this as 500. Now see, this is the 500 pixels. So whenever you change resolution, it never changes its size. Another thing, if you change border to 20, now see how big is the border now. Now cell padding. Now let's make it 30. So as you can see, now there is a bigger margin between the border of the table and the contents of the cell. Now if you make cell spacing as 0, see, there will be no spacing between the cells. Now border color equals blue. Well, you can try it yourself. As you can see that all borders are in blue. And background color is in gray. As you can see, this is obvious, and you can change to whatever colors you need. Okay, now we have something called caption. Okay, in this caption, this is the title of the table. So as you can see that we have here a title, employee information. This is the title of the table. It appears above the table and in the center of the table. So I can, of course, write whatever text I need in order to simulate the title. But it's a built-in property in table how you can create a caption that appears like this. Then I need to create a row. Well, in HTML, table is created by different rows and cells. So this is table row. Now, whenever you mention that I have a table head, see, this is TH, table head. This means this is the heading of the table. It appears by default as bold and in the center. So as you can see, this is the heading of the table, and this is the normal text. So this is normal text, name and city, appearing like this. Then you close the row. This means I ended my first row that has 2 cells. Then I start another row with another table data. Yeah, now you can create whatever contents you need like this. So it's div align equals left Mustafa. This is how you specify the cell alignment in table. And the same here, that this is in center. And of course you can try write as well like this. Now, this is regarding the horizontal alignment. But now suppose that I have big text or big image like this that is spanning big space. Now whenever you start writing like this, well, you have also vertical alignment. So for horizontal alignment, you use div with the attribute align and any value that you need to specify whether it's left, center or right. But for vertical alignment, you have top, middle, and bottom. So now, whenever you mention that this is the align equals top, this means my alignment is in top. And as I said, you can use middle and bottom also to do this. So I can here try this middle. Now it becomes in middle, and I have also bottom. Okay, so this is how we can use different attributes of table, and this is the output that you see here. Now we have another example regarding the spanning. Now let us see what is meant by spanning. Now as you can see, whenever you use a cell appears with exactly the same sizes. But now suppose that I need to specify different sizes for the cells. Well, we mentioned that we have an attribute for the table named width. Also, it is available for table heading and table data. But now I need to do one more thing. Now, it's something like merging in Microsoft Word, that I need this text. This is one cell, but I need this to span across 1, 2, 3 columns. So in this case, I have only one cell, but it is spanning 3 columns. So its column span equals 3. And this is the text that we need to use. So in this case, this is the result. I can see my text spanning 3 columns. Now regarding table data. Also, this is one cell, but it is spanning 3 rows. Whatever its contents, whether text or images, it doesn't matter. Now I have row span. So we have two properties, column span and row span. So in this case, this is spanning 3 rows. 1, 2, 3. So now whenever you have a new row like this, well, actually, remember that we have here 3 cells. Okay, but first cell is spanning 3 rows. This means as if there is also another cell here. So you need to mention 2 more cells in order to occupy the full information of the table, having something like this. So this is simply how we can use column spanning in tables. So in this chapter we have used tables. We have changed its alignment, whether it's vertical alignment or horizontal alignment. We were able to insert images in tables, and we have used the col span and row span in order to mention the spanning for the cells, whether across columns or across rows. Hope you guys enjoyed this chapter. Thank you, and see you in the next chapter. Thank you.